Hello everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Summer is right around the corner, and I thought I'd give you guys 20 ideas that you can crochet for summer. I'm kind of old school, got some note cards. Breaking my ideas down into clothing items, accessories, and everything else. Let's just get started. Mini disclaimer, a couple of these might be copied from my other video, 50 things to crochet when you're bored. I'm just taking those because they're summer themed, so I might as well put them in this video as well. Number one, you guys can do crop tops. It's like normal crop tops, halters, the tie in the front, whatever. Number two, you can do a swimsuit cover. It can be a cardigan, like something with mesh. Number three, a dress. I've seen so many people do like the granny square dresses or swirly dresses, and they are so cute and I would love to do them, but I myself don't like wearing dresses. I'm sure you guys out there do, so you can do that. Number four, leg warmers. Yeah, I know it's summer, but you never know. Number five, a headband. I think headbands are coming back in style because I've seen like a lot of people wearing them. But you can just do like a thick headband, a thin one. You can be Matilda and just have a string with a bow. Any headbands are adorable. You can even add a flower or make it like a twisty headband. Six, you can make a snood from Wednesday. There should be like free patterns online for one, and you guys can make it any color, or you can be like Enid or like Wednesday. I would be like more like Wednesday. Number seven, a swimsuit top. You can do any type. You can do like a crop top, but just make it shorter. And if you do, make sure to line it, because if you don't, you might be giving people a free show and we don't want to do that. Number eight, a bucket hat or a sun hat. But if you make a sun hat and you don't want it to like flap down, just add in some supporting wire and you should be fine. And bucket hats, you can even make it out of granny squares. There's a lot of uses for granny squares. I mean, as you can see, I made an entire blanket out of them. And they're really, really easy to make. There's several videos for them, but who knows, I might make a version of my own. Or you can make a shawl, like one of those things that you put over your shoulders, and you can make them the granny square way or the mesh way. Or you can make it like lace. Some of these might be intermediate, but a good chunk of them can be beginner friendly. You could also make yourself a wraparound skirt for your swimsuit. That could just be like a big square, you could like tie it. I don't know, I'll show some pictures for them, but I actually might make one of these for myself for summer. Now on to accessories. You can make some tote bags, like a mesh tote bag or a pixel art tote bag. And for all my people who have plants, you can make a terracotta pot cover for your little plants, you know, keep them warm, or just for some decoration. You could also make a flower pillow. This could be a big pillow or like a tiny little throw pillow. You could also make a flower coaster. You could also make fruit slice coasters. Those can be so cute for like on your back porch, front porch. You could also make earrings, but you guys can crochet fruit earrings, like little strawberries, pineapples, little carrots, like little suns. That would be cute. Or like flower earrings, rainbow earrings. Possibilities are endless. Then for people that have kids, you can crochet little food for them, or like make like a little crochet garden. That would be so adorable. You could also do some wall art or like hanging art. It's similar to the tote bag, but it's just one layer, and you can make it as small or as large as you want. And I think that was it. Bonus, you could try to make a towel. Yeah, it might take a while, but will it be worth it? Yeah, you have some time. Summer doesn't start for like another month or so. And if you want your towel making to go by faster, you can do a triple crochet. Those go by really fast, triple and double. But that is all the ideas I have for today. If any of these ideas gave you inspiration, please like and subscribe for more. And who knows, I might make videos on some of these ideas. Turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!